Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your non-profit organization with GoFundMe step by step clearly. Start by defining the specific goals you want to achieve with your non-profit organization. Identify the target audience that aligns with your mission and values. Create a compelling story that conveys the impact of your work. Craft a clear and concise GoFundMe campaign description. Highlight the specific project or initiative that requires funding. Use high-quality visuals, such as photos and videos, to enhance your campaign. Set a realistic fundraising goal that reflects your needs. Consider offering incentives or rewards for donors to encourage giving. Share your campaign on social media platforms to increase visibility. Leverage existing networks, including volunteers and community partners, to spread the word. Engage with your supporters by sending regular updates on campaign progress. Respond promptly to any questions or comments from potential donors. Utilize email marketing to reach out to your existing donor base. Collaborate with influencers or organizations who can help amplify your message. Monitor the campaign closely and make adjustments as needed. Thank donors publicly on your campaign page to show appreciation. After the campaign ends, report back to your supporters on the impact of their contributions. Analyze the data and feedback to improve future fundraising efforts. Maintain ongoing communication with your donor community to build lasting relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.